Colin from Great Deal Products with your tool tip of the day. Today we have the BL180 from Pavetool. This tool can make your job a lot easier if you're laying a brick wall. Simply adjust the tool to fit your size brick and lift her up. If you want to change the adjustment setting, you lift the handle, push her in, flip it over, pull it back out to the size you're looking for, and you're ready to go. And then you can start setting bricks off your pile into the different, right on top of your wall. The 180 stands for the 180 pound load capacity that this tool can take. It also has a pin so that you can set the adjustment. If you're using a standard size brick the whole time, then you can just hook this up to your excavator, drop it on your brick, grab another one, set her in. Grab another, set her in. Just like that. It's a useful tool to make your job go easier and smoother, so you can work smarter, not harder.